Welcome to this session on MLA citation format in a Word doc. I'm Dr. Henry and I'll be helping you today. The goals for this tutorial are to view a general paper in MLA format in Word and examine the defining features, to select the References tab and MLA format in the Word doc, to insert in-text citations, and to insert a works cited or bibliography page. So let's go to the Word doc in MLA format. You see some features. There's a 1-inch margin. Student last name and page number are in the top right corner. Student name, teacher, course name, and date are in the top left corner. The title of the paper is listed, and then everything is double spaced after that. You see the in-text citations include the author's name and the page number. If the author is already introduced, just the page number is listed. And you see a block quote is just tabbed. If we move down to the works cited page, each of the citations is listed in alphabetical order. The first line is not tabbed. All consecutive lines are tabbed and they're double spaced, and there's no space in between. So it's just a running works cited page. The difference between works cited and a bibliography is that a works cited means that you're using actual quotations and paraphrases within the paper, and if a student is just offering a bibliography for where they got the ideas about some type of animal or something like that in the very young grades, probably 6th grade, they would use a bibliography page. So let us go back to our tutorial and just look at how we actually take care of these in-text citations. You will not have to type any of that in anymore. All of the word processing programs do this for you now, and so let's just look at a few quotes. So the first one is coming from a book, so you go to the top of the page and click References and make sure that you select MLA format, and mine has the 7th edition. There is an 8th edition, so you select the most current one. So the first citation that we're going to do is a book. So you go to the drop-down menu, select book. The author is James Smith, last name first name. The title is The Spiritual Power of Habit. City, New York. Publisher, Zondervan. And this book was written in 2016. If you have a specific page number that you'll be citing, you can list that here and then say OK. So we see that our citation is there. Since the page number is not there, we want to add the page number. And we basically did that by dropping down, saying edit this citation, and then adding the page number. And then the next piece we will do is on an analysis of a book by C.S. Lewis. And so we go back to insert citation. This is coming from a website. And so we list the author, Cloud Henry. The name of the web page is Summary in Literature. The year was 2009. Month, May. Day, 5th. And then you always have to put the year accessed, month, and day accessed. And so you would select OK, and we see that it's here. And again, since it's a direct quote, it should be from a page number. And so we'll just say page 1 and say OK, and there we have that. So finally, the last piece you need to do, in any of the papers beyond 6th grade, you'll have to do a works cited page. So you go up to the top and you select works cited, and it will include the works cited. Let's see right here, works cited, and you see that you are going to have to go ahead and insert the double spacing in that particular works cited to make sure that you are actually working MLA format. And so our works cited is correct, and thank you for attending this session.